Hello everyone, my name is Tomoko. I live in northern Italy. I used to live in New York for 3 years and in London for 5 years. We were supposed to move back to London. However, due to corona crisis, the situation is uncertain. So, we are going to enjoy La Vita è Bella in Italy for a little bit more. I'm passionate about language learning, as I use English and Italian through my daily conversation. So I can appreciate the difficulty of learning a second language, especially only trying to do it by yourself is a challenge. I really value the importance of trying hard, making mistakes, and learning from them. I believe that's one of the most important things. By using the internet technology, it's becoming easier and easier to communicate with people from all over the world to share your thoughts. I hope we could work together to improve your English and have a great time. 皆さんこんにちは。英語コーチのともこです。英語をもう一度やり直したい初心者のあなた、ビジネス英語でチャンスをつかみたいあなた、海外移住に向けてまたはもう海外に住んでいるけれど英語力をもっと磨きたいというあなた、自信を持って英語で相手の目を見ながら自分の気持ちや意見を言えるようになってみませんか？私があなたの目標達成に向けて全力でサポートします。I look forward to seeing you. Thank you for watching. Ciao!